Hi everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty and we are at Hobby Lobby and we are going to look at some of these new fall items. I'm very excited. I'm going to turn my cart around here so we can start at the beginning of the aisle. Love this store so much. Look at this big harvest sign. $29.99. $9.99 for the harvest fall metal banner. A whole lot of love. And pumpkin spice. These are $3.99. Grateful, thankful, and blessed. Welcome, friends. Look at this sign. Oh my god, I love this store so much. I'm going to make a couple videos out of this trip, so if you don't know, this is my first time at Hobby Lobby. And yeah, I'm addicted already. I've been in the store 5 minutes. This store is huge. I've never been to a store this big in my life. I live in the woods. How much is this sign? I love it. Uh-oh. That's only $20. That's a good price even though it's not on sale. Look at that one too. I love that one. Let me take pictures for the thumbnails, guys. Thanks. Ooh, that's really pretty. $15.99. Totally doable. Love this sign so much. $19.99. Plant smiles, grow giggles, harvest love. Those are $13.99. Look at those. Right? They're too high for me to get a price. Bummer. Looks like they just started putting fall stuff out. $10, so $9.99. I actually have a wooden sign just like that. I think I got it at Michael's on clearance a couple years ago. Give thanks. $15.99. Wow. I was actually speechless for a minute. Oh, we're gonna look over there too. We sure are. Let's look here first though. They have this gingham check. Paper placemats. I know this is super popular this year. The black and white check. Thankful. $24.99. This cute little bag of pumpkins. $9.99. It's cool gold leaf. It's metal. Oh, it's like a trivet. I get it now. Let's see a price. All right. We gotta put it back right. Sorry. Little flower napkin rings. $2.99. They have those molds. Look at that. That's gorgeous. That's gonna be $10. Ooh, so fancy. $11.99. Oh, good gravy. $15.99. Okay, I feel like we can go down now. I feel like we get the gist of this aisle. And they have all those pumpkins way up high. Maybe they'll bring them down. I'm overwhelmed. $2.99. Okay. Whoa. Guys, I'm just a small town girl. This is a lot to take in. A little teeny mighty town. $29.99. Oh, hold on, I see something I want to show you. Hold on. Gotta let people shop. It's hidden back here. Whoa. Hold on. Don't let all these scarecrows fall. Whoa. No, I need you to stay. I want to take a picture. I don't think I'm gonna be able to. I'm gonna get the price of that. Hold on. Oh God. Everything's gonna fall. You guys see? That's only 30 bucks. That's heavy. Oh, I just hit my head. That's only $30. Okay, let's gather ourselves, shall we? Oh, just so you know, if you're new to my channel, I don't edit. It's as real as it gets. There's Easter. All these cool pumpkins. $12.99. That's a little expensive for a pumpkin. $7.99. I noticed at Michael's the pumpkins were really expensive too. Whoa. They have some cool stuff. $19.99. $139.99. No. That's gorgeous. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at this one. Wow. All the garland. $9.99. That's pretty typical. Ooh, I like this garland. Of course I do. It's $60. Don't mind me and my expensive taste. I'm a Dollar Tree budget. Lots of pumpkins. Okay, let's turn our cart around. I hope this video gets a lot of views because it motivates me to come back. I'm just being honest. $3.99. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, guys, so I know you want me to come back, okay? Thanks. I appreciate it. Turkey, gobble gobble. Shaped like a football. That's cute. That's expensive. But I hear this place, oh, this is ceramic. It has this cute pumpkin pie recipe. I hear that they have like a lot of coupons here. So, and this isn't even the season yet. So these will go on sale. Hold on, let's go down a little bit. Cute. Little square pumpkins. $10. Their flags are pretty reasonable. $7.99. Oh, they're like plastic. No, they're not. Just kidding. I really like these garlands. I skipped over them. They're $12.99. Right there on the right. In the center, it's $9.99. And the faux cotton ones are $9.99 as well. They're really pretty, especially this one. Isn't that nice? Love. These are $9.99 as well. And then $12.99. They have a lot of nice candles. Buttery pumpkin. Look at the jar. 3 wick. It's less than $8, a little less. Oh, it smells good too. It doesn't smell like strong pumpkin. It's literally buttery. Oh, that's good. And the container is gorgeous. Sweet pumpkin cupcake. $2.99. Look at this container. Isn't that so pretty? Woodland Park scented candles. Let's see. Oh, it's a wood. Yeah, hence the name. Oh, no, no, nope. Nope, that's too much. That smells like perfume. Oh, cute. $8.99. Gorgeous packages. Or packaging, I should say. $23.99 for the truck. Pretty. Oh, cool. Look at the cutout at the top. Let's see. $8.99. Very nice. Pie pans. Oh, nice. Decorate your pie if you're bringing it to someone's house. $6.99 for the cookie cutters. $1.99 for the little cupcake picks. So that's pretty much it so far for fall. Thanks so much for watching. I'll get my bearings in this store. Pretty soon I'll be a pro at it. But guys, this was awesome and exciting to try in a new store and see new things. Thank you so much for shopping with me. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you soon.